What's up, everybody? It's another rainy day here in Seattle. You're watching my channel. I'm on the elevator, heading down to the tunnel station. What's up, guys? Vlogging in the rain. Alright. So I just arrived here at Tukwila, near in South Center Mall. We're in the biggest mall here in Washington State. It's freezing cold in here right now. Kinda miss like the sunny weather. Wait. Let's bring some memories.
Game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, I'm my INDEPENDENT shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track busting.
Yeah, I know. We miss Maui. It's cold in here. We wanna go back home. Just kidding. So I'll see Ode in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello.
What's up, love?
I have a good news.
What is that?
My day off got changed.
So what is that?
Tuesday, Wednesday.
Whoa! You switched
Okay,
off?
naa may dili.
Yeah?
Oh, hi! Naa may ano, nakunuhay training
I
for the
see.
new, you
I
know.
see.
So I wasn't on the schedule, but then it's like, oh, how come I'm the only one that's not there? She's like, well, because you already know all these things. And I don't know. Well, I'd rather get the same message as what everybody has. Like, okay, you want to join then? I'm like, I guess.
You're so funny.
But I wasn't the one who said like, oh, I want this day off. She's like, oh, you want to take Tuesday, Wednesday instead? I'm like, sure.
Alright, guys. See you on the other side.
Like a permanent marker written in your ink, like a tattoo on your.
Hi! So this is one of the reasons why I don't drive when it's raining. It's so hard to see the road, like it's all white. Okay guys, it's snowing. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Snow, snow, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Whoa, look at that!
West part of Washington, it's pouring snow. Like,
Can it capture though? I don't think so. We'll see.
what's up, guys? So we're here at our condo right now, and it's snowing outside. We are so hungry, and Ode is making a sandwich, avocado with what are you gonna put in avocado?
Just avocado.
Oh my gosh! And we're preparing our dinner. Salamat salam.
I don't know if that's right. It's my first time making it.
Sandwich with avocado and lettuce and some black pepper. Alright. Alexa, what's the weather today?
In February, there's a winter storm warning in effect Sunday, February 5th, 6 p.m. to Monday, February 6th, 4 p.m. The current weather is 36 degrees and clears. Tonight's forecast has snowy, rainy weather with a low of 32 degrees.
How you eat avocado?
You don't know how to eat a sandwich.
Can I? Why, you know how?
Man, it's so good. Ah!
You put something in it, like butter?
I think because I'm hungry, this is good. Good, right?
Can't complain.
Better not.
Alright guys, what's up? So it's been a while that I haven't uploaded YouTube videos on this channel, and because I'm working on something, like I'm editing like a travel video or something. But anyway, I'm back and I'm using now my Gopro 4 because I'm trying to rebrand my channel. I mean, like, I'm trying to focus on what should I do on this channel, and I just hit 200 subscribers, which is so good. Thank you so much. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And anyway, my content on this channel would be focused, maybe, I don't know, it's just a plan, but I would go to more GoPro tips and tricks and travel vlogs, and also for Ode is the organization stuff and some open box or grocery haul. But anyway, I would like to say thank you so much for watching, guys, and for subscribing. And I think that's it for today, and see you tomorrow. Bye. I love you, I love you, I love you.